Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to be replacing the fuel filter here on this 1998 RAV4. So the fuel filter is located right up under the fuse box here. It's going to be right there. And the part that we're going to be using today is by Bosch. There's the part number right there. You can buy it on Amazon. It's fairly cheap. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this the air filter housing, and then we're going to take off the relay and the fuse. All right, let's get to it. Let's start with a 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and unplug that so we're out of the way. I did just replace the plug wires in the coil packs down there not that long ago. And that comes off. And then now we're going to take off these right here. There's going to be 10 millimeter bolts. Used an extension to get those out because it's a lot easier. And then once you take that out, there's going to be a little slot that your coolant reservoir is going to go in. So you're just going to push down on that, lift up on this, and then you're going to unhook this plug right here and this hose. Get those off. We got this off, put that to the side. And while you're down here, you can actually check your motor mount. So this is going to be your right motor mount, and then you have one on the bottom right there. I'll probably do a later video because this thing's got 300,000 miles on it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take off this bolt right here, and there's another 10 millimeter on that other side right there. But first I'm going to help us with some clearance, and I'm going to take off this this relay and fuse box. and then it's going to slide off because you have this slider right here that goes on the bottom of it. And then you're just going to put that to the side. Two bolts right there. Before I work on my car, I normally disconnect the battery. But so to take off the the top of this banjo fitting, I'm gonna use a 11/16 to do that. So yeah. Right, once you take off the top bolt, you're gonna want to slide that up and make sure that you save both these washers right here. Just make sure you put those to the side. All right, and now we're going to take off this bolt off the bottom. It's going to be a 14mm wrench. So we're going to do that real quick. All right, guys. So I went ahead and put on the new filter. So right now I'm just putting the air box back on. I cleaned that up with some carburetor choke cleaner. And then, so you're going to put this back in. Make sure you have that slot in down there where the reservoir goes. Put your 3 10mm bolts in, and yep, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, once you have those 3 10mm bolts in, you're going to connect your hoses right here. So this small one with the hard U-shape is going to go to your right, and then the straight one is going to go right here to the left. So you're just going to throw those on. Make sure you have your clamps on. Okay, so I got my 2 clamps on, and then we're going to plug in our sensor. Sensor's plugged in. Oh, it's cold over here in Texas, man. It's like, what is it? Yeah, it's 36 degrees right now. Cold shit. Then we're gonna pop in our air filter. Once you have all that done, plug in your last sensor, and then we're gonna tighten up that fitting right there. 10mm. Okay, that's tightened up. And then we're gonna connect our battery back. And then once you got it started, you're going to inspect for any leaks. No visual leaks. All right, guys, so that is how you do a fuel filter replacement on a 1998 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to do, my next video is going to be a alternator replacement, so stay tuned for that.